Smartsheet contacts make it easy to manage who is responsible for work and who needs to be informed about it. Because they link to active email addresses, contacts are critical for sharing sheets, assigning tasks, and powering automated workflows. Imagine you've launched a campaign roadmap to manage marketing campaigns for the fiscal year, and you need to assign tasks to both internal staff and external vendors. Smartsheet uses two main lists: your organization's account contact list, which is managed by your system administrator, and your personal My Smartsheet contacts list. You use your personal list to save external collaborators. You access your personal list by going to the left navigation bar, selecting the account icon, and then selecting My Smartsheet contacts. From here, you can choose to add a contact individually or import multiple contacts from a CSV file. With your contacts ready, let's return to the campaign roadmap sheet. To assign tasks, you first need to add an assignee column. Right-click any existing column header and select Insert Column Right. Next, set the column type to Contact List. This tells Smartsheet that any entry in this column should be recognized as a user or collaborator from your lists. Then you name this new column Assigned To and select Apply. Once you select Apply, this campaign roadmap is ready for contact assignment. To assign the first task on your roadmap, select a cell and start typing an email address or name. If you've already assigned a task or shared your sheet, Smartsheet will display a list of potential matches drawn from both your account list and your personal My Smartsheet contacts. You can also assign multiple owners to a single task by adding several contacts into the same cell. With Smartsheet contacts, you can easily assign responsibilities and integrate collaboration seamlessly into your workflows, supporting features like automated alerts and update requests. Visit the Smartsheet Help Center for more information and detailed tutorials. Thanks for watching.